Hello, this is our family. Welcome to our MIMISOO Family English channel.
Here, we learn English every day.
And we learn English with fun stories. Hello, my name is Mimi. I am 6 years old. I like drawing. This is my family.
Hello, my name is Soo. I am 10 years old. I like playing football. Let's meet our family.
This is my father. His name is Max. He is a teacher. He likes reading books. This is my mother. Her name is Mia. She is a chef. She likes cooking. This is my grandfather. His name is Leo. He is a gardener. He likes walking in the garden. This is my grandmother. Her name is Rosa. She is a tailor. She likes knitting. And this is my pet. It's a cat. Its name is Kitty. I love my cat. On our channel, you can learn English with us.
You learn new words, funny stories, and everyday English.
English is easy when we learn together.
So join our family and practice English every day. Subscribe to our channel and learn English with us.
Hello, we are a happy family. Let's learn English together.